The Detroit Health Department sent a team to evaluate the disinfecting and deep cleaning protocols. But the big question, of course, is what is this illness? We've been trying all day to get the Detroit Health Department to tell us where they are in identifying what the district is calling an unusually high rate of flu-like symptoms.
I think it's terrible, They should just keep them out till they find out what's wrong.
Last week, a kindergartner at Marcus Garvey Academy in Detroit died. A cause of death is still pending, but this week, the school district says more children have been coming down with symptoms like fever and vomiting, namely the youngest children.
Yes, it is very frightening. Nothing we can do about it. Really, you know what I'm saying? Just deal with it.
State and local health officials working to monitor and trace any illness at the school. We know the Detroit Health Department is taking the lead on this, and they are very, very careful to say that they're assessing an apparent increase in illness, not saying exactly what the illness is. Can we be certain of what's making these kids sick? Sounds like probably not.
Probably not. I think that we need some more time for testing to come back so that we can try to figure out exactly what's going on.
Local health officials make it clear they do not have confirmation of what's making these kids ill. But they're telling parents with children between the ages of 4 and 7 to monitor their kids for fever, headache, lethargy, nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. What does that sound like to you when you look at the list of symptoms?
So as soon as I see that list of symptoms, I think the term flu-like illness.
Kelly Lavasser is a pediatric emergency medicine physician at Children's Hospital of Michigan. Her advice:
watch your kids. So if your child starts to have a high fever, they start to have some body aches, they start to really become tired, that's the time to get in touch with your pediatrician. And if you think that you can't get in touch with your pediatrician, or it's on the weekend or after hours, then you can come into an emergency department or urgent care to have your child evaluated.
School is closed until Monday. They want to complete all that deep cleaning and disinfecting. They're also asking that parents monitor their children for any of the symptoms that we mentioned in the story. In Detroit, I'm Hillary Golston, Fox 2 News.